Welcome to Ifa Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. The path to the position. Story. There was a mother who was very sad because the Oba of that land had given her two eldest sons the position of governor over some distant provinces. Neither the first nor the second reached their destination. So the Oba sent the third one so that he would go, occupy that position, and avenge the disappearance of his brothers. The mother did not want him to go, as she feared the same fate would befall him. But the young man said to her, "Do not despair, mother. Nothing will happen to me because, before leaving, I will go to the house of Òrúnmìlà, so that he may tell me what I must do." Òrúnmìlà performed divination for him through Ifa, and told him that he had to perform a bow, and then take it to the sea so that he could free himself from his enemies. The young man followed these instructions and immediately after departed with his entourage. They arrived at an intricate place where there was a hidden cave. When he entered the cave, his followers took advantage of the moment to seal the entrance, leaving him alone inside so that he would die of hunger. That night, a strong storm arose. Since the sea was close to the entrance of the cave, the great waves began to crash against the rock blocking the entrance. The force of the waves moved the rock from its place, leaving the entrance open. As soon as the storm ended, the man was able to leave the cave. Guided by the locals of that region, he continued on his path and eventually reached the place where he was to assume the position of governor. In this way, he was able to fulfill the king's mandate and save his life.